Hello, welcome back. Let's continue to review the textbook Understanding Construction Drawings. This video is about Unit 38, and that is coordination of drawings. This is critically important to coordinate the drawing set. And as a project manager or the architect or the project engineer, you know that communication is key, and coordination of the drawings before the construction site construction starts is critically important as well. So let's talk a little bit about what we are going to learn here in this unit. We will see how we can interpret the indexes and keys found on drawings, and then use the number system for referencing details, sections, and other drawings. And then we'll see how the grid system is integrated, and we'll see how we can locate columns and piers. And also we will see how plans, elevations, and details are used to describe the layout of the rooms and spaces in a large commercial building. So first of all, indexes. There is going to be a large set of drawings for a large commercial building. So sometimes it's more than 100 sheets. And the key plan actually in the lower right corners show the addition in relationship to the rest of the building. So in here in the textbook, here you can see that the drawing index is indicated, and you can see all the drawings listed here for this school addition project. And in most commercial construction drawing set, the cover page of the drawing set includes the index. So you can see that, and then you can flip the pages to the exact drawing that you need. Also, the packet here, there is a drawing packet here in the book. It only includes the drawings that are necessary to completely understand the additions. And it's not a full set, so please be mindful when you review the set in the textbook. And the drawing numbers that are underlined here indicate the drawings contained in the drawing packet. So please be mindful when you take a look at that. Usually drawing numbers are made up of one or two letters and numerals. The letter indicate the basic type of construction shown on the drawing. Most architects use the letter A for architectural, then S for structural drawings, C for civil, M for mechanical, E for electrical, and so on. Also, some architects indicate levels of drawings by using a series within a range to designate a level. So, for example, 100 through 199 might be reserved for foundations, 200 through 299 might be for floor plans and elevations, and 3 through 399 for roof framing, and so on. So the system is usually quite easy to understand, and you will be able to navigate the index easily. So let us talk a little bit about the material keying. So on larger projects, it is common for a material keying system to be used so that the drawings themselves are not cluttered by excessive notation. Um, and usually, and here you can see the blobs showing the material keying system, that the keynote, system is used on the drawings for materials, references, and notes, and you should refer to the Keynote legend on the drawings for the information which relates to each Keynote symbol on the respective drawing. So each Keynote symbol consists of a number followed by a letter suffix. The number relates to the specification section, which generally covers the item that is referenced, and the letter suffix combined with a number creates a Keynote symbol, which identifies the specific reference notation used on the drawing. The letter suffix does not relate to any corresponding reference letter in the specification. So again, please look at the images here, and you can see that many of the material keynotes are referenced on several of the drawings sheet. In that case, they are reproduced on each of those sheets as well as on the master legend. And all of the sheets usually include the material key legend, and that's what was intended by the architects. Let's see the reference symbols that are used on the drawings. Usually the symbols for section views and the symbols for detailed drawings are similar in appearance and format, but have one significant difference. While both commonly use a circle as a symbol, the circle on a plan or other large-scale drawing to indicate existing detail contains the detail number above a horizontal line. Below the horizontal line is the sheet number and on which the detail appears. And some elements of the symbol, such as a rectangular flag, indicates that it is a detail shown symbol. Section view symbols use the same scheme for specifying section number and sheet number, but use a pointer instead of a rectangular flag to indicate the direction in which the section is viewed. So, and this is actually shown on the detailed drawing here. So please pay attention and you will be able to actually distinct them. So also interior elevations, which are often used to show the locations of fixtures, furnishing, and some equipment, built-in furniture, and other special architectural details. They are usually referenced with their own type of symbols on floor plans, and the floor for an interior elevation also shows the direction from which the elevation is viewed, and it includes the number of the elevation and the sheet on which that elevation drawing appears. So please pay attention to that symbol as well. And we're moving to the structural grid coordinate. Buildings with columns of reinforced concrete or structural steel as the main element of the building are laid out on a special grid, special structural grid. The plans are drawn with a system of horizontal and vertical reference lines so that all columns and details can be referenced to the grid. And vertical lines are numbered and horizontal lines are lettered. Or the system is reversed, so it does not really matter. It totally depends on the project and the system that is being adopted at the architectural firm. Columns are located by grid lines through their centers, and the locations of major architectural components, such as walls, are located by dimensions that are referenced to the grid lines. The dimensions from the grid lines to the faces of exterior walls are usually given at the corners of the building. And interior partitions and other architectural elements may be located by dimensioning to the faces of these exterior walls, which are referenced to the structural grid. So again, review the drawings here. That will be definitely easier for you to understand. So, and also we already mentioned that in the previous videos, and I'll mention here again, that it's really important to do the mental walkthrough the floor plan. You really need to familiarize yourself with the floor plan and to understand the adjacency of the spaces, and that will be easier to navigate. So when you look at the plan and when you are at the construction site. So um, please just make sure you know how to use the plan and you prepare to be kind of like inside the plan. And the north arrow indicated on the drawings usually helps. Usually it's pointed up. And this is how you can easily orient the drawing on the side, especially if it's new construction and there is nothing on the ground, and this is the way that you will position your structure. So that was it for our unit 38. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in unit 39.